recording, okay? Feel load is taking a little bit there.
Yeah.
Oops. What do you think? This is going on the internet, by the way, this extra footage.
Okay.
So, America, call your president, call your vice president, call your congressman, your representative. Let's put some people back to work, get some clean energy, keep the work in this country. About all I can tell you for now. Just keeping forging ahead and never looking back. America can do it. America has got all the talents right here that we can do anything. We put our minds to it. Cut them off here, or you can cut them off here. Pretty quiet though, you know.
Yeah, it is.
These are where my other two set of magnetic turbines will go. And also here, so this motor will actually adapt to this hole and this hole or hub, and they sit right here, and then another set, and it goes on and on. We don't really know how far because just need to get more research and development in it. That's like any other invention. It's invented in this country or any other country. And I'm going to power it back down now. I'm not sure exactly what that one's hooked to. Huh.
That top inverter, wasn't it? What you flip the switch?
Oh, you think it is?
Yeah, I think that's how you, the top one.
The top one?
I believe so.
Okay. I'll just cut it off there. And I cut off my inverters. And then I'll power it down. I'm just gonna I can cut it off all at one time.
That's what I was wondering, if you could just shut her down.
Yeah, I can hit the stop button.
Stops fast, huh?
It'll stop it, won't it? magnetic repulsion, or magnetic retraction, or magnetic attraction, or north against north, south against south, or north and south together. It works all three ways. And that's the take. Thank you, man.